What up guys, and today we are going to be playing Roblox Candyland Bubblegum Simulator. So I've already played this game before. Yeah, I've played this game before. And let's get into it, I guess. So yeah, let's get into it. The camera so it's good. Let's load something. Guys, if you want to play with me on Roblox, my name is Clav. It's in the corner, but that's C18V7. Before I could have got pretty good pets. I know, isn't it? If why not? I have to wait a few seconds first to show you my pets. Anyway, I'll do it. Okay. Let me see if I can do it. Let's claim it. Time back. I'll have to clean them up, and it's done. It is nearly ready, and I don't know why it won't let me. Well, anyway, you can tell I got 2,635,000 coins. Right, guys. Peace. So I'll see you in a bit. So, guys, so you Candy World. Wait one sec, guys. Sorry about that backpack thing. I buy 5 hell back. What's that? Let me accept it. Okay, then I'm enough time. Anyway, let me try and buy this egg. So, and it says, we'd like to personally thank you for an awesome past month for helping us with that beta testing process. Here's a free limited time dominance for you. We can't wait for you to see where we take the game in the coming months. Studio game, so I just got it. Let me see it. I have 2, guys. But I did see it take away some of my money. Do you see it take away some of my gems? I didn't. No, let me try and get 3. I should have 2. So guys, I had to leave and rejoin again, so I don't know why it's like that. Anyway, did they give me it? That's the question. They're really bad pets, don't look at them. No. Right then, see that's anyway. It's over 100 when you get it. That I just got that from the book. And then on Fox is my best one. 243.75, 256.25 and 181. So they're my 3 favourite ones. Because like I don't know really. I don't really know why they're in here. Guys, if you know any codes, please tell me. I really want to know. I really need some codes. Yep. Need some codes. So if I go back to here now, would it say something about it? Oh no, guys. So I don't know. Anyway, so we can see. Let me go in settings. Share bubbles off. You can still see a bit, I know you can. But believe me, it's worse if it's not a camouflaged one. Let me do that. See, I show you my highest point where I can go up to a normal. I can go up to the last void island. In fact, I collect all the chests now. Chests. Collect all the chests. So I need 650,000 to. So that one gave me 10 million. Okay. So I need an epic, please. That's all I have been getting. Lately, come on. Yes, great. What about this? We're getting better though. Please. Getting worse again? Come on, I just need an epic. Can you just get them fox? Please. God, please. Oh, great. Great. Hey. Come on, I just need a thank you. So good. Woohoo! You're okay. That is amazing. Oh my god, how I got that. I really just don't know about this. I can't believe it. Come on. So I got that. I'm not even out of gems. Oh, you look over there, I don't even know of gems. Come on, God, please help me. Right, I can open about 3 more. Last one. Come on, please be a rare. Please, I mean epic. Epic or rare, I don't care. Yes, boys! That was amazing. Sweet boy. Boom! It's practice, see? That's the starting level. That is the starting. That's 145. That is better than all of them. It's nearly a fucking game, guys. So I need to equip 3 then. That one's that one's gonna be good anyway. Should we open some of them? In this day, I can't afford that. Let me open this one. What does she open? Let me just see. What is it? Hell Dragon. Hell Dragon. Where is it? What? It isn't there. Okay, well that's not good. Guys, I've got, oh, what's it? Oh yeah, this is a better area than this one. Suggestion. See, it gives the pets XP, which is really good because the chest gives you 25k. I know they're level 3. Look, they're level 3 now. That's how sweet it is. It's amazing. I just need to get all these stars so I can pay. Oh, what? That was amazing as well. See, there are 4. And another level. And level 8. They're both so good. Yeah, guys. By the way, I hope you had a good Christmas and a good New Year. And I'm saying it a bit late, but I hope you did. For Christmas, you won't believe it, I got a hoverboard. I don't know how, I don't know why Santa gave me it. Wait, what else one? Bubble gravity needs to go on. Get down anyway, so I might as well go back up. Guys, my mic just stopped working, so I don't know what happened there. I just need to fall all the way down there. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but sorry if you can. This will take forever because it was really high. Please fall faster. I just fell and I needed that. So guys, let me try and get back up. Oh poop, oh poop, oh poop. Oh poop, that's bad. Okay. Oh no, didn't make that. Guys, I just see something. Never mind. I don't know what it was. I thought I saw something, but there's nothing down there. Ole, ole, ole. Ole, ole. Ole, ole, ole. Alleluia. Ole, ole, ole. Alleluia. 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 So I was thinking, I ain't Catholic. But you've got to go Catholic school, which you can tell by that badge there. It says Catholic on it. Wait guys, one sec. I'll just 10 more minutes. Let me see what's here. So we probably need to help one. 45k, that's pretty good. Just this. That's empty. 2 minutes 69, I've not quite got enough. I just need 2.69k really. Oh, now I can get it. Some flavors? No. Down. Gum. It was 2.9. 125 capacity. So let's sell it at the main base. Whatever it was. I don't know what it's called. So yeah, then let's just fall the way down. Boom, 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 with the poly in. Everybody dance, 'cause you know, oh, you know everybody, you know you do it now, 'cause you know it right now. I am so sorry for you, me and you. Me and you, me and you. Why are we so bad at this? Why we're not so bad at this? We're not that bad at this. Just play with me. Just play with me. Sorry guys, I'm singing. I just not singing sometimes. 6.3 now, you're definitely not going enough. What is that? Great, 5.2. Well, guys, don't forget to check out this game. Remember, it is called Bubblegum Simulator. Don't forget to check this game out. There's code in the game. I don't know any. Exactly me. Well, guys, I just need to get to the bottom. Yeah, guys. So, yeah. By the way, that was my sister. That's my sister, guys. Let me just get to the bottom because I've only got. Oh, guys, anyway. I'll see you another day. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I'll see you